Hello everybody, my name is Hallow. Welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you very quickly how you can install OBS Studio in a different drive. Maybe you don't have enough space in your C drive, even I don't. So I've gone ahead and installed the installer from obsproject.com. This is for Windows, and I'm going to just click the open file and then just enter. It's going to ask me for a prompt, after which it'll give me this setup wizard. Okay, so this is where we should be a bit careful. Click on the next button, but here when it says destination folder, click the browse button, go to this PC, go to your other the target drive there, create a new folder for OBS and click the OK button. Okay, so once this is done, click the install and it'll take a while, but that should go through. So you see the setup just went through. I'm just going to finish up. So this is OBS. OBS is up right now. Something that you can actually also see is in my D drive. I go to the OBS folder. I go to OBS Studio, and you can see all my data here. Not only is that there, I can just go to OBS and I can press open file location and go right click this, go to properties. From there you can see that the target location actually is still in the D drive. The shortcut is only there in the C drive. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it did, hit that like button. Just a very quick tutorial that I put together. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye.